The next thing that I'm going to show you is to create a table by importing data from Excel. So for example, here you have an Excel table with the following field names, and you have the data here. You have two options. One, you can create the field names in the table as what we have done just now, or we can straight away import the whole file and modify the field names later, and this is what I'm going to do. So let's open up our Access just now, and we'll just go to create table. Sorry, close, not this. External data, and here we see import link, Excel. Select the file. You will need to download the file in the next tile. Sorry. Okay, commercially client data. So import the source of data into a new table in the current database. This would be our option because we don't have the table. Now if you have the table, you can append it. Okay, so I'm just going to click next, and here I'll see that data from worksheet will be imported, and it says that first row contains column headings. These are my column headings. Okay, client number is text. Yes. And then I would say choose my own primary key, because if I let Access add a primary key, it will add the ID. But my client number is actually my primary key. So client number. And I would call this client. Okay, let's just finish. Now, if you save import steps, you can just reuse the steps later, but since we are not importing again, I'll just not save it. So here, when I open up, see, I have all my information in. I can go to my design view and I see all this information here. And I can change them accordingly. My client number is, hang on, let me have a look. My client number is of field 4. Let's just make this smaller so that I can have a look better. So I can change this field size to 4. Client name, maybe I can just leave it as it is, but I'll just a few. State, I know that I don't need 255. I only need 2. Postal code here. Postal code here is, we need to put it as text, okay? Because we are not doing any calculation with it. Alright, so amount paid current due is correct. Contact hours, we have it as double. Field size double. Format is fixed. What is our fixed format? Okay. And business analyst number, this is also text, and it's 2. Okay, so after you've done this modification, then you are done with the client table. Let's move on to the next block.